Hi guys, welcome back. Today we start from absolute zero. It's the beginning of my trading course, and today we're breaking down how to read candlesticks. And if you want to learn day trading, this is where everything begins. One candle can tell you who's winning, who's losing, where liquidity sits, and where price wants to go. Guys, also by the way, for every single lesson in the series, I'll prepare a very detailed PDF breakdown. Super useful information down there. The link will be in the description down below. So definitely check it out. Follow my Telegram group. I'll drop my trades, my market thoughts, some fun shitcoins to follow, and let's jump straight into candle anatomy. Let's draw a candle. I might make mistakes, guys. Just bear with me. Mistakes is part of life. So super big candle, actually, super fat. Um, and every candle consists of four key aspects: open price, close price, top wick, bottom wick. So a green candle means price closed higher, so buyers dominated. Red candle means price closed lower, sellers dominated. Simple as that. And you can say that's little rectangle is like a scoreboard. However, this week's top and bottom wick, they show where the price was during set interval of time. So here is, for instance, 15 minutes. The highest point the price reached and the lowest point the price reached. Top wick means buyers tried pushing up, sellers rejected it. Bottom wick means sellers pushed down, buyers defended it. Wicks are kind of footprints of liquidity, hints of where stop losses, for instance, got hunted. And green candles, they open on bottom, close on top, because price began to be lower, closed higher. Red candles, vice versa, started here on top, closed here. So in case it would be a green candle, let's put some green actually here. Just super simple for example purpose. And next candle would also be green. It would start from here. And closed higher. And then, for instance, the price dropped. And go like this. Let's change it to red. And it would close lower. And then, yeah, start from here. Super simple. We're not gonna pay much attention to that. Let's jump into a very interesting type of candle, which is called doji. I kind of call it the candle of uncertainty, so to say. It's a candle with a super small body. Let's make it even like neutral just for testing purposes. And very big wicks. Let's use this. And one more. Yes, so that kind of would be a doji candle. Tiny body, long wicks, open price is super similar to close price. Nobody won. It's a pure indecision most of the time. It's like when market is just telling you, okay, you decide whatever happened to them. But they obviously care so much sense around them. So top, or sometimes you can see hammers actually. I almost forgot to tell you about this. I call it a hammer. I'm not sure what other people call it, but let's use rectangle. Let's say it's a doji with a super big wick only to one side. So what this actually means that buyers, they were pushing the price up, 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 but sellers ended up being stronger and they closed the candle here. Even though the price traveled all this way to the upside, it closed here. And exactly the same vice versa. If you see something like this, it means sellers were trying to kill the price, but buyers won and created, yeah, what's called a hammer. Can actually make a comparison, obviously recently used tools. Boom. Hammer. Nevertheless, let's jump on the chart and actually look into something. Um, Yeah, let's for instance say 5 minutes. Doesn't really matter. We can also go daily. Reset chart view. And I use gray and light gray and dark gray for my candles. You can see green and red most of the time if you open it for the first time, probably. And let's have a look at this candle, for instance. So the candle which represents the price action on Tuesday, 22nd of July 25th. You can see the date and time here. And when I hover over the candle, you can see, yes, Tuesday. And on the right here, you can see the price. So you can see that the day started at 3,397. The day ended at 3,431. The lowest trading price was 3,383. You determined it by the wick. As you can see, super close. This week, as the highest trading price was 3,433. And then a bullish candle opened. You can see it starts on top, ends on the bottom, same 3,888 as a closing price, 3,431 as an open price. The highest reaching point was 3,438, lowest 3,381. And let's see at the doji candle. Let me find something interesting with actually big wicks. And we can refer to this maybe as a doji. Oh, here, look. Oh, I lost it. It was going down. But yeah, guys, any cat like this. Look, that's a doji candle. Small body, kind of same movement. So go around it. It's this one, the one in the middle. That's a great example of a doji candle. So yeah, who's winning when wicks get big? Simple rule is big bottom wick, buyers absorb the move. So bullish clue. Big top wick, sellers rejected higher prices, bearish clue. Let me just try to find something. I have not prepared, guys. I'm gonna try to look on the market for some maybe super big wicks where the price then turned reversed. Yeah, here, look, for instance, this. We'll take this candle. Zoom in, we see this big wick, but after that, boom, drop to the downside. Yes, almost a 3% drop. Same here, enormously big wick compared to all the wicks here. But still, sellers were able to close the price here, and then we can see small correction. So it's all about context. Is the wick set support, resistance, yesterday's high, a key opening level? That's what makes kind of a wick meaningful. Because you can see, or super thin, for instance, that's kind of on the same level, and you'll find a lot of those. Look here, I can see, yeah, that's this week's, for instance. I also make some sort of a level. Don't want to talk about trends now. I'll leave it up for next video. I think we've covered almost everything what we could in a week lesson. As for the home task, guys, I would say just go on chart, register on TradingView first of all, and go on the charts, look at the wicks, try to find some dojis, try to understand, okay, try to find something that has very big wicks, like to the upsides and price go to downside. Yeah, guys, super simple first lesson. I don't want to put too much edit in it. I just want to give you knowledge. So I won't have some crazy slides here. Pure, just me talking, charts, nothing else. Again, guys, a reminder, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out Telegram, guys. The PDFs would be really, really good and something you can save for the rest of your life almost. As well as my trades, my market thoughts. It will be way easier to learn if you can actually read what I'm talking about live, my thoughts, trades I take, the logic behind it. We can discuss everything in the comments. And guys, peace. See you in the next one.